Hello everyone and welcome to the unique flavored fries business of JD Foods. Ngayon, isuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo makakapagsimula or makakapag-add ng flavored fries business ngayon. So, manapakadali lang nitong gawin. Actually, very typical lang yung fries natin na business. Pero ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ano nga ba itong unique at extraordinary na fries business na hindi nyo pa natitikman. Alright. Ano nga ba yung mga flavors na pwede nating magamit dito sa business na ito? Here in JD Foods, meron tayong mga flavors like nori seaweed fries, spicy cayenne fries, Thai spice, masala, Mexican, Spanish, spicy ramen, sriracha, tom yum, Texan barbecue at napakarami pang exciting, extraordinary flavors. We have 29 flavors na pwede nyong pagpilian. Usually kasi, di ba, ang mga flavors na available here in the Philippines is usually 5 lang, like mga barbecue, like cheese. Dito sa business na to, yung mga customers niyo is magugulat dahil napakaraming flavors na pwede nilang pagpiliin na hindi pa nila natitikman sa isang fries business. Bakit nga ba makakapagsimula ka ng unique flavored fries na ituturo ko sa inyo? Bakit nga ba fries business? Kasi extraordinary yung flavors niya. Pangalawa, napakadali lang niyang gawin at convenient siyang i-prepare. At yung mga fries kasi natin is go-to snacks at favorite siya ng maraming tao. So, can stand-alone business siya or as additional to your menu. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng business na gusto mong magkaroon ka ng income or profit, or kung ikaw naman yung naghahanap ng i-add sa current menu mo, kung meron kang restaurant business ngayon or food business at gusto mo pang mas mapa-improve at gusto mo pa na mas marami pang mahi-offer sa iyong customers, then you're exactly at the right place and you're exactly at the right seminar. And number 5, yung low cost and very high profit. You can earn as much as 50 to 100,000 in a month. Diba? Napakaganda ng profit in a fries business. Napakasimple lang niya, napakadaling gawin, paborito ng lahat. Pwede siyang stand-alone at pwedeng additional sa menu. Pero ngayon nyo palang matitikman at ngayon nyo palang makikita etong mga extraordinary flavor list. Kaya magiging number 1 na trending ang inyong business na to sa inyong mga lugar. So are you ready to learn kung papaano nyo siya magagawa? On our next slide is tingnan natin, ano nga ba yung kaibahan ng ordinary fries and the unique flavored fries? So, dito sa kabila natin na side is the simple fries. Very plain. But here in JD Foods Flavored Extraordinary Fries Business, napakarami nating yummy and mouth-watering flavors fries na pwede nyo pagpilian na talaga namang magugustuhan ng inyong mga prospect customers. Katulad ng nabanggit ko sa inyo, para tayong nasa Japan with the nori seaweed fries. Right? Pwede ring nasa Thailand with the Thai spice fries, masala which is very popular sa Saudi, ayan, saka sa India. Mexican hot, Spanish paprika, spicy ramen, right? Japanese na Japanese din. Sriracha, tom yum, barbecue na Texan, at napakarami pa. Remember, 29 flavors ang pwede nating pagpilian. So, very easy to cook and prepare lang itong ating fries business. Alam ko na alam nyo kung paano rin ito gawin. Fry, shake, serve, and earn. Yan, ganyan lang siya kadali at ganito yung mga magiging presentation natin once we start this type of business. So, meron tayo dito as side dish. Kung meron kayong restaurant ngayon, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as side dish of your menu. Napaka-popular ng fries. Pwede nyo siyang gawing side dish or pwede nyo rin siyang gawin as single order. Very flexible nitong ganitong klaseng business. Pangalawa is ano pa yung iba nating packaging. Pwede ding fries in a bucket at pwede ring take-out bucket. Pwede rin naman na fries in a mesh and also other kinds of packaging. So, very flexible ng ating fries business. Napakaraming ways kung paano natin siya i-present to our customers. Here, I will show you ang ating fries menu. This is just a sample that you can follow and you can copy. So, meron tayo dito nilagay na mga juices and also other side dishes like onion rings and nachos. You can follow this pricing or you can add or you can deduct so that mas maging um, swak siya sa inyong target customer at sa inyong location na paglalagyan. So this is just a sample menu for our viewers. How about naman the costing and the profit? We saw that it is very easy to do and very convenient to start and to prepare. Pero paano naman tayo kikita? Ano yung mga cost na kailangan nating i-invest at ano naman yung profit na pwede nating maging income? So in this slide, nakikita natin yung size, description, and total cost. Sa cost ng fries natin, our total cost is 7.5 pesos for every 50 grams of rice. Sa cost naman ng fries powder, only 4 pesos for every 5 grams of powder. So, nagdagdag na rin tayo ng cooking cost, which is 0.50 kasi pwede naman natin gamitin ng paulit-ulit yung ating mantika. So, the total would be 12 pesos for every 50 grams of flavored fries. Okay? So, optional naman to. Kung take out yan, may fries packaging tayo which is 3 pesos to 6 pesos. So, this is just an additional information. When the raw or the uncooked fries is cooked, it can make from 100 grams to 65 grams, 150 grams to 90, and 200 to 120, and 250 grams to 150 grams. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng shrinkage because of the water content ng ating French fries. So, very lang naman, minimal kapag na luto na siya. So, how about the costing and the profit? So, there is a size, description, and total cost. So, kung maglalagay tayo ng small, medium, large, and extra large, sa fries natin, nandito yung ating cost, which is the 100 grams of rice, that's 15 pesos. Sa fries powder naman, 5 grams is 4 pesos. The cooking cost for the small is 0.50 and the packaging we have added a 3 pesos. So the total cost of a small fries na meron na siyang flavored powder is 22 pesos and 50 cents. So kung ibebenta nyo siya ng 75 pesos, it really depends on you kung how much yung magiging selling price nyo. Depends on your market and the capacity ng target na mga customers dyan sa paglalagyan nyo. So, kung ang cost niya or yung puhunan sa isang small size fries is 22 pesos and 50 cents, ima-minus lang natin yan sa ating selling price, which is 75 pesos is as a sample pricing. So, ang total ng profit or tubo sa small fries is 52 pesos and 50 cents. So, that is 70% na profit. Okay, that's 52 pesos. So, sa medium naman, this is our computation. The cost is 34 pesos. And the sample selling price is 95. So, meron kang tubo na 61 pesos or 61%, which is very good na profit percentage for a food business. 70% is actually good. How about the large? That's 43 pesos and 50 cents. Pwede natin siyang selling price na 115. So, there would be a profit of 71 pesos, which is 62%. Sa extra large naman, that's 54 pesos cost. At kung ibebenta natin siya ng 135, that would be a profit of 81 pesos or 60%, which is a very good profit for a food business. Okay. So, this is the cost and the profit for the small size up to the extra large. How about naman ang kikitain ninyo in a daily and a monthly basis? At ngayon, ituturo ko rin sa inyo kung magkano ang net income kapag na-minus na natin lahat ng mga expenses in a month. Alright? So, the monthly profit projection, profit per serving sa small, is for example, meron kang sales sa isang araw na 30 na tao na bumili ng small. So, ang total profit mo on that is 1,575. Remember, sa 1,575 na to, tanggal na yung ating puhunan. Okay? Sa medium naman, kung may 30 pesos, kung may 30 na tao na umorder ng medium, meron ka ng tubo na 1,830. Sa large, kung 25 na tao yan, that would be 1,787. At sa extra large, kung may 20 na tao na umorder, that's 1,620. So, ang total sales mo per day na tubo na ito, which is the profit na, is 6,812. So, kung operational ka ng 26 days in a month, meron kang total profit of 177,112 pesos. Not bad, right? So, almost 200,000 for a profit projection like this. For example, so magkaroon tayo ng, in a way, hatiin natin sa dalawa itong profit na to. For example, sa small, 15 yung umorder. Sa medium, 30 na tao yung umorder. Tapos sa large, merong 12 na tao at sa extra large is 10 tao. So kung hahatiin natin yung total sales per month na profit mo, malaki pa rin siya. 'Di ba? So possible you can earn as much as 80,000 pesos in a month, right? So it's a very, very good profit in a month pa rin. But how about na naging 30, 25, and 20 ang umorder in a month? You can earn as much as 177,000 and more. Okay, we have clients na kumikita ng ganito, inad nila yan sa kanilang business, at dati ang kanilang ginagamit na fries is just plain and very, very minimal lang ng kanilang flavors. But right now, nung nag-add sila ng ating extraordinary and unique na mga flavors, mas tumaas ang kanilang sales for the fries business. Kasi extraordinary nga at kakaiba yung mga flavors natin. So, mas curious yung ating mga customers to try and to purchase and to buy yung ating fries. How about naman, pag meron tayo syempre yung expenses. Yung kanina kasi is just a total sales per month na hindi pa natin nababawas yung expenses natin. So, I have here a very conservative sample of the projected price expenses in a month. So, for example, standalone siya. Hindi mo siya i-add sa iyong current menu. So, magkakaroon ka ng rent if you want na yung fries business mo is magiging standalone business. So, naglagay tayo dito ng 10,000 pesos na renta for your location or for your store. So, rent is lower in suburbanized areas. So, for example, makakakita ka ng ibang mga location or mga store na paglalagyan mo na mas affordable, much better. So, para mas maglaki pa rin yung maging profit. So, if it is a standalone business, yung staff, syempre, magkakaroon tayo ng staff. So, I added here 16,000 pesos na salary. Pwedeng mas mababa siya in the provincial rates. Or pwede naman na here, actually, ditong 16,000 pesos na to is more or less regular rate here in Manila. So, kung province, mas mababa yung rate ng salary ng mga staff. So, lilagyan na rin natin ng utilities and miscellaneous. So, sa utilities, kasama na rin dito yung shipping cost. So, it really depends. This is just a projected price business computation for the expenses. So, ang total estimated expenses natin is 32,000 pesos and 600. So, kung i-add nyo naman siya sa inyong current menu, wala na tayong rent. Additional kasi lang siya sa ating current business. Sa staff salary, i-add lang naman natin din yung ating fries sa current na ginagawa niya. So, ang i-add na lang natin kung meron kang current menu or meron kang current na business or restaurant is the utilities and the miscellaneous, which is just 7,000 pesos. So, dun sa ating kaibahan, 32,600 kung stand-alone mo siya at isisimulan mo pa lang yung business, and 7,000 pesos naman yung ating projected na expenses if i-add mo siya sa iyong current restaurant. How about naman the exciting monthly net profit? So, if ever ang total sales mo per month is 177,000, meron kang monthly expenses na 32,600, your total net profit pa rin, malinis na kita, is 144,512. Right? It's a very, very good number and a very, very good profit sa napakasimpleng gawin na fries business. Kaya marami kaming mga clients here in JD Foods na nag-add ng fries and flavors kasi mas tumaas daw ang kanilang income in a daily and a monthly basis. Meron din kami mga clients na ito yung ginawa nilang business, stand-alone, tapos nag-add lang sila ng mga burgers and other mga food na pwede nilang i-add. Pero itong fries business ang isa sa kanilang mga highlights ng kanilang restaurant. So let's see, kung 144,512 ang total net profit mo, how about ang magiging total net profit mo in 3 months? Remember, this is a very easy to start na business, but you can earn as much as 433,536 na possible income, almost 500,000 in just 3 months. Remember, malinis na kita na to. Tanggal na ang expenses at cost ng ating mga food products. In 6 months naman, how about ang possible income na net profit? Almost 1 million pesos. That's 867,072 pesos. So, biruin nyo, in half a year lang, you can earn a net profit of 867,072 pesos. Kaya marami kaming mga clients na nag-incorporate at nag-start ng ganitong klaseng business. But in a year, how much you can earn? That is 1.7 million pesos profit na net in a year. So imagine, sa loob ng isang taon, you can have in your bank account an income of 1.7 million. So, imagine niyo rin na kung dalawa yung store nyo, you can earn double of these numbers. Right? So, it's a very, very good business idea na pwede mong simulan at pwede mong i-add sa iyong current business. So, paano ba tayo mag-i-start ng unique fries business na ito? There are different ways. So, you have to decide, ano ba yung gusto mong business setup? Gusto mo ba physical store or restaurant? Gusto mo ba na kiosk na pwede dyan sa mga mall? Pwede rin namang mall cart. Mas malaki siya kaysa sa kiosk. Simple cart itong kiosk natin. Ito namang mall cart is merong specification yung mga giant malls and mga other malls here in the Philippines. Inline store. Ito yung mga nasa food court, nasa mga terminals, pwede rin siya. Or if you want to start an online store, pwede rin yan. So you have to pick first, ano ba yung ating business setup? At kapag naka-decide ka na, and this business setup has its advantages, like physical store, kiosk, mall cart, and inline, very advantageous siya kasi every time na may mapapadaan na tao, minamarket ng store mo yung business na meron ka. Ang online store naman, it's good business din. But you have to be active in social media at maging active ka in exposing your business. So if you want na magkaroon ka ng a business na nagma-market on its own, you can have it on a physical store, kiosk, mall cart, and inline. Yung online store, isasabay mo na lang siya doon sa mga gustong magpa-deliver via online shop. Right? So, once you decided, syempre, we have to prepare your food supply and cooking materials. So, meron tayo dito na mga packages na pwede nyong simulan. Actually, this is hand-picked na para sa inyo, para dun sa mga gustong magsimula ng sariling business at gustong mag-add ng fries business sa inyong current restaurant. Pwede kayong pumili dito sa ating mga business packages. So, ito yung fries business package number 1 natin is meron na tayong 12 flavored powders. Meron na rin tayong 1 piece garlic mayo na sauce na pwedeng dip ng ating fries. Ang maganda dito, kumpleto na siya ng ating mga materials and equipments like meron rin tayong powder juices, single fryer na pwede nating paglutuan, at mga straw, powder containers, powder scooper. Meron na rin tayong 15 social media fries graphic layouts, cooking training video, and meron na rin tayong menu na stand. So kami na rin yung gagawa niyan para sa inyo. So definitely, 'di ba nakikita natin yung price niya, very very affordable compared dun sa magiging profit ninyo in a month. Right? Kung makikita natin, you can earn as much as 144,000 in just 1 month. Dito sa price ng package na to, ROI ka na agad or mababalik na agad yung puhunan mo. Kahit nga, for example, 'di ba kalahati lang nitong 144,000 na to. For example, kumita ka ng 80,000 pesos in this kind of business. ROI ka na rin agad dito sa ating food business package ng fries na to. If ever naman, na gusto mo na mayroon kang collapsible cart, pwedeng-pwede rin. Kasi we have a package here worth 30,000 pesos. Dati siyang 36,000. But today, we have a discount. You will have a discount of 6,000 pesos. 30,000 pesos na lang siya. Meron ka na dito na collapsible food cart, cooking training videos din, social media na graphics, may menu ka na rin, and tarpaulin and logo design. Kami na rin ang mag-design ng inyong mga logo and also your tarpaulin, care of our graphic designers. So, meron kayong pagpipilian na dalawang options and you will pick the best logo and the design ng ating tarpaulin. Yung sa tarpaulin natin, ano pala yun designed na siya, sa logo tayo mamimili. And complete na rin itong ating package na to with 12 flavored powders, katulad nitong ating fries stationery cart. So, ang kaibahan lang nito, mas bigger itong ating stationery cart compared dito sa ating collapsible. But the inclusion is the same. So, this is perfect. Itong collapsible and stationery cart natin sa mga gusto na mag-start ng kanilang sariling business without hassle. Okay, kasi kumpleto na to ng gamit, kumpleto na ng equipment, may marketing materials, training video ka na rin. But if you want ng fries business package na sisimulan mo with the materials and the equipments only and also yung ating mga food na mga supplies, you can have it here sa ating business package number 1. Ang kaibahan nga lang nito, wala pa siyang mga logos. Okay. But meron ka na rin menu. So, for example, you want the logo, pwede naman natin gawin is ima-minus lang natin dito sa collapsible cart yung mismong cart and then you can have your own logo. So, we can arrange it like that. So, dito sa mga prices na to, nagkaroon na kayo ng discount but remember, you can earn as much as 144,000 or more or even 100,000 in a month is a very good business profit for you. So, ROI na kayo in the first month pa lang. So, bakit nga ba JD Foods Unique Fries Business Package? Bakit tayo magpa-package ng JD Foods Fries Business? Kasi kumpleto na siya. And also, continuous yung company support because you will have your own business coach to guide you in your business na pwede niyong pagtanungan whenever you have questions regarding your business. Especially sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Right? And you will also have access sa ating mga business recorded educational training videos. At meron tayong mga business reading materials. So we know how much you invest in the business like this. So that's why JD Foods is very much willing to assist you and to support you in your businesses. Tuturuan namin kayo kung ano ang gagawin nyo step by step. Aside from that, you will also have access to video cooking tutorials and business management videos. At syempre, meron kayong matatanggap sa inyong mga emails, mga informative business tips, care of your business coaches. At meron din tayong mga graphics na pwede nyong i-post sa inyong social media. Meron din tayong exclusive access sa mga group business training via Zoom led by business mentors. So, pwede tayong magtanong doon ng mga questions regarding your business. Either it's current na may business na kayo, kahit hindi siya fries business, as long as you have a business, pwede kayong magtanong doon. So you will also have an exclusive one-on-one business consultation then with business experts to help you with business planning and expansion. And marami din tayong mga amazing perks and freebies especially for you. So nakikita nyo naman how passionate we are in making sure that our clients like you, once you start your business, you will have our support all the way. So, paano ba natin isi-secure yung ating fries business package? There are a lot of ways kung paano natin siya gagawin. Number one is you can pick it up sa ating office. So, dito tayo sa 131 Stanford Street, corner Ermin Garcia Street, Cubao, Quezon City. If you are near Quezon City, malapit lang po tayo sa Gateway Mall. We're just 5 minutes away from Gateway. At if ever hindi nyo siya ipipick up sa office yung ating mga business package or ang ating mga products, you can settle the amount naman via bank transfer. So, pwede tayo mag-online bank transfer or pay cash via walk-in sa ating office. So, these are the banks na pwede nating simulan. Para masimulan na natin yung business natin, BDO, Union Bank, and BPI. Okay, so we are very flexible naman sa ating mga business packages. So if ever you have some questions regarding our products, you can definitely message us or call us here in JD Foods. Or if it is more convenient for you, you can message us in our Facebook, JD Foods Premium Sauces. So, be your own boss by owning the extraordinarily unique flavored fries business. Sa panahon ngayon, mas lamang ang may sariling business. So, you can call us here on the numbers provided, and these are our business coaches that will help you guide and that will guide you all the way for your upcoming business. So, secure your fries business package today and start earning ASAP. So if you have more questions, you can always contact us. See you at the top!